Write f of x equals 5 times the absolute value of 3 minus x as a piecewise function. A piecewise function is a function that's split into multiple sections or multiple parts. So the first thing we're going to do is to find the split. So the split occurs where the argument equals 0. So when it says the argument equals 0, so the argument is where the absolute value is. So the absolute value expression is 3 minus x. So we're going to make that equals 0. So 3 to find the split. 3 minus x equals 0. And then we subtract 3 from both sides. Subtract 3 here and 3 here. Always balance the equation. So we say negative x equals negative 3. Then we divide or multiply both sides by negative 1. So x equals positive 3. So again, we could do a mental math. Multiply both sides by negative 1 or divide both sides by negative 1. So negative x turns into positive x. Negative 3 turns into positive 3. So the split is at x equals 3. So the line x equals 3. So after we found the split, now we're going to write one piece. So one piece, we call it the positive side. So we're going to split. So remember, we're going to have two parts here. So one side is going to be the regular side. So let's just call it the positive side. Then we have the negative side. So the positive side, we're just going to drop the absolute value. We're going to change this into a parenthesis. So we say 5 times the quantity, 3 minus x. And then we simplify this to 15 minus 5x, or negative 5x plus 15. So that's one piece of the piecewise function. So the other piece, for the negative side, we're going to switch the signs of the argument. So switch the signs of the argument and then simplify. So again, the argument is just inside what's inside the absolute value. So the 3 becomes negative 3 because we switch the sign. And then negative x turns into positive x. Then we simplify. That is negative 15 plus 5x. So let's write 5x first and then minus 15. So now we are ready to write this absolute value function into a piecewise function. So the piecewise function is going to look like this. So this is the piecewise function. So we're just gonna use the function notation g of x, because that's f of x, so let's use g of x equals, one piece is negative 5x plus 15, and the domain is going to be the split. So this is where the split, so we're going to split that where x is less than or equal to 3 and 5x, so the other one is 5x minus 15, and the domain is going to be x is greater than 3. So remember, that's the split. And that's basically it. So again, the absolute value function is equivalent to, was redefined as a piecewise function as this.